we also want to have the practice of accepting disappointments. See, yung word na yan, accepting, it's an unpopular word. In fact, for some people, pag narinig nila yung accepting, probably they're thinking, it's such a loser word. Kasi you're accepting defeat. But in a spiritual sense, think about it this way. Acceptance is not a sign of resignation, of giving up, or of failure, but an important sign of emotional and spiritual maturity. You want to grow strong? You ought to learn acceptance. It's especially the acceptance of frustrations and disappointments in life. Life is hard, yes or yes? Yes. And frustrations are an essential part of life. Take this for example, pinadala to ng asawa ko sa akin this past week, itong meme na to. Nung bata siya, sabi niya, pag 27 na ako, bibili ako ng mansyon, ng kotse, at magta-travel ako around the world. Me at 27. Nung 27 na siya, ang ginagawa niya dito, at 27 years old, nilalagyan niya na yung tubig yung shampoo niya para masimot niya. Ako, ginagawa ko rin yan. But this meme is simply saying that, okay, pangarap niya to, maging 27 siya, ito lahat, pero nung 27 na siya, hindi pa niya natutupad yung mga pangarap niya. Many of us, me included, with good intentions, with good hearts, we set out to fulfill these dreams, only to be disappointed with dead, defeated, or delayed dreams. In fact, this is probably the cause most of the time of disillusionment with God and walking away from the faith. Because when you are faced with delayed, defeated, or dead dreams, it's either of three things. It's either you blame God, tampo ka sa Kanya, you blame others, or you blame yourself. And this is where the importance of the spiritual practice of acceptance comes in. Kasi kailangan natin matuto na tanggapin ang mga ganitong pangyayari sa buhay. Because if we want to mature spiritually, if we want to grow in life, we need to understand that acceptance is not about resigning, but about surrendering. Over the seasons of life, you just continually submit yourself to the Lord. Surrender yourself to Him. Nakasurrender ka na dati, pero napansin mo, meron pa rin mga ibang bagay na hindi mo nabibigay sa Kanya, pero surrender ka pa rin tuloy-tuloy. It's about letting go of what we cannot control. It's about embracing the perfection of imperfection. It's about accepting the frustrations of life that brings with it wisdom and resilience for us to grow. Ultimately, in the midst of unanswered prayers and unfulfilled dreams, you have a choice. It's either you will force your way into a dream that was not really meant for you and continue to be bitter as long as it's not fulfilled, or you will accept that God knows what's best for you and that you will trust that He's working out what's best in your life. That's your choice.